but I think they're all coming out one by one.
They are.
Do we leave? Do we stay?
We're rolling out one by one.
Starting from the back and working our way up.
Oh, so I just go whenever I go.
You go after me, yeah.
I'm gonna be stuck, bro.
Austin just sent something. I got the roadster. I like this, the drift car.
Yeah. That's from Night Style.
Yeah.
There's nobody from Night Style comes out anymore.
He showed up last time I was there. Yeah, that's the one that was out last night. Oh, the Civic show. Fake type art. Viper's up next. If you
I don't see
fucking
it. I don't think he's moving. Oh, yeah, yes.
The Civic's gone. From the SRT. This is gonna be fun.
Oh, yeah.
All the V8s leaving, and then we got the boosted neon gonna take everything. So we got to Cars and Coffee before it started. Got the Mustang up next to Peyton's and up next to Park's Z3. We got some. This is a major cruise out here this time. We got Jigger's Camaro. We got David's Mustang, which is fucking fast as hell.
I'm trying to stay in line and
Viper right there.
I know!
We got Mike and Abneil's cars right there.
You can't be slamming your brakes like this. There's a whole line behind you. Well, I ain't got my brake pads and rotors are like this. No.
This is awesome. That is a mean looking Corvette. Full carbon hood, Corsa exhaust. I'm guessing.
All I hear is the damn fan.
Well, I heard him as he was going by.
He's more loud.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
That is so good looking. Grand Sport.
He was coming, but
Oh, that's pretty. I love this. I love the Nova. I like the wheels on this Mustang.
Yeah, it's Robbie's.
It's not like, that's a style I like. I don't think I'd run it on mine. The Apex I'm gonna go are probably what I'll do.
I don't like that. It's too risk.
That turbo on the Skyline.
Last time out, we've done a converter swap and a few other things. Added onboard air for boost control and everything. So it's awesome. It left on 3 pounds before. It's going to leave on about 8 next time we do it.
This is pretty, but God, I love the Camaros like this. Those wheels. This is like a full Pro Mod car almost. This is like a full Pro Mod car, it looks like.
Back and body drop.
Damn.
Yeah, some of that's new on me, so I'm trying to.